we're at McDonald's.
Wow.
We're vlogging.
What's today's date?
March 17, 2023. It's a Friday.
When is the dance?
6:37.
6:37? Okay.
Alright. We'll update y'all on that.
Welcome to our vlog.
Oh shit.
Chanel.
Hi. This is the tour of the car. This is my blanket.
6 hours later.
I thought it was this one.
Okay, y'all. This is our first impressions. These are first impressions. What do you think, David?
Good?
What do you think, Liam? Okay, we will see the inside soon. So, what's your name again? I'm Chanel. Paulina. Alright, I'm Samantha. And we went into the wrong house. We went into the wrong house, y'all. There we go. Alright. Alright. Did you have my shoes? I wouldn't care. Oh my god. Yo, we got some tea. Well, who can sleep here? This could fit like 4 people. Wow. It's very nice. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, this one's cute, yo.
This one's cute. Yeah.
Why are you asking my yourself?
Samantha.
Wait, I think this is fake? It feels real.
This looks really big.
Ooh, our backyard. Wow, how y'all feeling? Good, but don't kind of like don't like. I think we don't like the view. Okay, you guys are on HGTV. You guys gotta sell this house. You guys are realtors. Okay.
Hi, welcome back to
HGTV. What's your channel?
Beautiful 500,000 house, right?
Yep.
We got 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms.
Oh, yep. This is the living area with the dining area.
Come on, let's go inside.
Oh, okay.
So let's start changing now, and then we gotta go over there rehearse.
Okay, sounds good. Alright.
A few moments later.
Hey y'all, we're back. So we are running late.
Super late.
Super late, pretty late, y'all. But yeah, we are on our way, as y'all can see. Yes, we are all dressed up now. Jongo, wow. Yo, look, it's Buzz Lightyear. Shoot, what does he say?
To infinity and
Beyond.
Not our way. 12 don't got L, they gotta chase. 13, 14, 15, 16, hello tips, they hit his face.
Few inches later.
Hello.
we're in Corvallis.
Yes, we are.
At OSU.
And then there's our team. They're kind of fast.
Walking ahead of us.
Yeah. We're walking into the stage. Hello. Yes. Yeah, it's kind of nerve-wracking now. And they're our age too, though.
2 hours later.
So it's a mess.
Okay, this is better now. Like we just came back from Hmong New Year. So we're gonna find a place to eat because we're not hungry now, but we might get hungry later. We're gonna find. They're getting lit right now. Look, they're still getting lit after we just came back. And then, so now they're just eating.
Vlogging us. It's so weird. Got all speechless. Yeah.